Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a number cake but in Christmas edition. So, with gingerbread cookie and some Christmas flavors. Let's get started! As one of the fillings, we are going to use white chocolate ganache. For that, you want to chop the chocolate really small and pour over the hot cream. If the chocolate is not melting, you can warm it up a little bit in a microwave or over a water bath so that the chocolate melts. Then leave it to cool until you get this consistency. Then it's ready for piping. For the gingerbread dough I'm using here, please check description box, the recipe is there. There will also be a tutorial for the recipe soon, so you will just need to wait a little bit for that. So you want to take the dough, roll it out really thin, and then cut out the Christmas tree shape. I also have the link to the template in the description box. So you will need 2 of these for the 2 layers. Then cover a cake board with some white fondant and then you can write on it with some edible paint. I'm using black because I think it looks nice and it will look good with the rest of the colors that I will have, but you can also use any other color that you want. So I'm just using some dry edible paint with some water to write Merry Christmas on my board. If you want, you can also make some other decoration on your board, but I left it simple with the cake and the Christmas wishes. Once your gingerbread cookie bases are cooled, you can start constructing the cake. Pipe some of the white chocolate ganache on the first layer and then whip up some whipping cream really stiff and flavor it with a little bit of sugar and then pipe that also onto the base. Then I'm also adding some cranberries to balance the sweetness and some raspberry jam, but you can also use cranberry jam if you want. Then top it up with the second layer and repeat all of the steps. I had a little bit of the cookie dough left over, so I made also some little gingerbread men, and I'm also using those to decorate my cake. also adding some of the cranberries here and some silver pearls. You want to cool the cake for a couple of hours at least before serving, but preferably 6 hours to overnight. Then it will be easier for you to cut because the cookie has absorbed some of the moisture. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe for more delicious Christmas recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.